G'day, Marty from Brisbane Kawasaki here. So today we're going to be installing some seat latches, these ones, on the 310X 22 model. Now on the 22 model 310LX, under the seat there's these 3-position seat retainers which go under this pole here. So this seat can go all the way forward or back about an inch to about there. You can lock that into place, or you can slide it forward, lock it back into place there as well. So we're going to be fitting these latches onto these seats. Once you pull these off, these have single positions. So we're going to unbolt those, and as you can see, the holes are already here, ready for the upgrade. This one's on the middle setting, and these are the old single seat assembly clips, which I suppose you can either sell, keep as spares, or put in the bin. That's it, job done.